So today I'm talking about a Nissan with the P0084 code, what it is and how you could go about fixing it. And so what is a Nissan P0084 code? Well, it's an exhaust valve control solenoid circuit bank 2. And so what does this mean? Well, basically modern engines have what's called variable valve timing, where the computer can control the timing of the engine while it's running. And this is a good system. It can help give better gas mileage. It can help increase power at different RPMs. But when you get this P0084 code, the computer's seeing a problem inside the system, mainly with this exhaust valve control solenoid circuit. So it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And one thing to note about these variable valve timing systems is that they can have different names. Even the same manufacturer can have different names for the system, depending on the model, the vehicle, and things like this. Most mechanics will just say VVT or variable valve timing, but be sure to keep that in mind. When you have a V6, V8, or V10 engine, bank 1 side of the engine is always the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, and the opposite of that is bank 2. So if you locate the number 1 cylinder on that engine, then that's going to be bank 1, and the opposite of this is going to be bank 2. Here's an example of a 3.5 liter mounted straight. And here's another example of a 3.5 liter mounted sideways called transverse. Bank 2 is going to be up inside the front. One thing to note whenever you're dealing with variable valve timing is that oil flows through all these components. And so it's always a good idea to go check the oil, be sure it's not really dirty or low or anything like that. Even though this P0084 code is pointing more towards a circuit issue, just keep in mind that if there's anything going on with the oil, if it's low or if it's really dirty, it can cause problems with the variable valve timing. And another thing to mention is that if any of these components are replaced and the engine just doesn't want to idle right, sometimes you need what's called a timing relearn. The computer might automatically relearn, but sometimes if the idle's off, it might need this relearn set, which can be done 2 ways. It can be done manually. There's manual steps that you could do to do a relearn. Or if you have a good scan tool, it might have the option in there to command the computer to do a relearn. And so be sure to also keep that in mind. And so what would be some possible causes of a Nissan with the P0084 code? Well, the most common things that's going to cause this is what's called a magnetic retarder or the wiring going to it. This Nissan VVT system is going to have some different components going on. It's going to have a timing control solenoid, and it's also going to have what's called a timing control magnet retarder. Here's a Nissan 3.5 liter engine, and when you open up the hood, bank 2 is going to be located directly in front, and right down here is where all this is going to be located. There's going to be a cover underneath there. This is a picture of bank 1 side of the engine, but it's the same thing on bank 2. This cover right here is going to come off, and you're going to have a solenoid, and you're also going to have what's called a magnetic retarder that's located inside of that VTC cover. This magnetic retarder can be bought separately from the whole thing, and you can't just replace it if you want to. It's going to be a good idea to go and test this. The way those are tested is that they're tested using ohms on a multimeter. You look up what the rated resistance value is supposed to be for that particular magnetic retarder, and you check to see if it falls inside that range. And if it doesn't, if it goes higher or lower than what the rated ohms are supposed to be, then you know there's a problem with it. You know it's having some kind of problem. If you do test it and it does test bad, like I said, you can't buy this individually and just swap it out. But sometimes it can be kind of tricky to get out and get back in. There's like a little groove inside of here that's holding it in there. You have to insert like little pieces of paper or different things like this in and around it right here so you can slide it in and out, which can be kind of a pain sometimes. So a lot of people will just buy this whole VTC cover assembly. But like I said, you can just swap this out by itself if you want to. If you do go that route, be sure to try to find a good video on it for your Nissan. If that magnetic retarder, if it tests good, then the problem might be inside the wiring going to it. So you can check the voltage going to that unit, which usually 12 volts is going to it, which the computer is then going to control the voltage to adjust the timing. But usually when the ignition goes into on position, but the engine's off, usually there'll be 12 volts going to it. Be sure to get schematics for your particular Nissan. That way you know for sure what's going on. But if that magnetic retarder tests good, then the next thing to go and check is going to be the wiring going to it. There's also a solenoid located on this unit, which may also be causing problems. So it can also be tested using ohms with the multimeter. Although from everything I've seen, usually that's not the problem. Usually it has something to do with the magnetic retarder or the wiring going to it. But it's also possible that this is also having some kind of problem. So if everything else tests good, then the next thing to go and test is going to be that solenoid that is also working with that magnetic retarder to control the timing. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Nissan with the P0084 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.